Hello, let me show you how you can change wallpaper on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all, you have to hold on the home screen on the blank space, and now you are able to find wallpapers over here. So click on it, and here you can find some of the wallpapers. Also, you can go to the album to select photos from your gallery, and also you can set a wallpaper carousel from here. But I will show you how you can do it from the system wallpapers. So select your wallpaper that you want and click apply to. And here you can apply your wallpaper to lock screen only, home screen only, or lock screen and home screen. So let's take the last option and it will be applied to both. So now click apply. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Also, you can turn on always all display, but I will not doing this. And now, as you can see, I have this wallpaper enabled. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.